Hello everybody, just wanted to do a quick demonstration of this vinyl system that I've built in Max MSP. And the way that it works is that I have it connected up to a MIDI controller, but it could be connected up to live instrument, like a piano, guitar, whatever you want, even your voice. And you record a piece of the instrument, and then the instrument can get played back out on the vinyl. The vinyl is using a third-party Max MSP external called Miss Pinky. It's a vinyl system from Max MSP. So the way that it works, if I just play a key here, another key, now I should be able to play on the vinyl itself. So the way that works, if we just go into the code a little bit, is that I've basically used a trigger called Bonk, which is another third-party Max external, and I've used that to trigger. I've used the volume of the piano to trigger and enable a record, and to record the next thing that comes in. Once it records the sound file into the buffer, okay, buffer is just a place where we're holding sound. It then saves the file to a folder, like a WAV file, just bounces it down. Almost instantly after it's been bounced down, it then uploads the same file into the vinyl deck, which is this. Okay. Looks crazy, but that's just basically the vinyl system that was developed for Miss Pinky. So just to run you through the steps again: records into the buffer, okay, just records sound into the buffer, then it names it. I've used this command here to basically name the file. And each time it bounces down, so each time you record something new, it gives the file a new name. Okay, that's what this +1 is about. So what happens is that you have test0.wave is the first file. Then next time it records, this adds 1, and then it becomes test1.wave, test2.wave, so on and so forth. Then it simultaneously loads that into the vinyl deck, and that's how you're able to play it on the vinyl. Okay, but that's not all. I've also used a leaky accumulator. Now, leaky accumulator is where, if I just show you here, if I do something, if I do a command, so you see this little command here that says reverb. Okay, this is developed by my tutor Frida Abtan. So what happens is that if I flick this fader, the reverb goes up, and the more that I flick it, the more that it goes up. So hear me flicking the fader. As I flick the fader, it goes up. Now if I stop doing it, then it goes back down. See how it's going back down? Now you'll see it goes slowly back down. If I flick it again, it'll go back up. Okay. Now this is useful because you can do something like this. So wait for it to go all the way back down. So you hear it's just a completely dry signal. how it goes. When I flick it, the reverb goes up, but when I stop doing it, the reverb goes back down slowly. So that's the leaky accumulator on the reverb. So what we've also done here is I thought, wouldn't it be cool if you could control an effect with the vinyl? So what I've done is I've set, if you look here, it says, so this number you're seeing going up and down is my actual vinyl position. Okay, this actual position of where I am on the vinyl. And what I've done is I've taken a part of that position and I've mapped it to an echo. Okay, so if I go to my piano, I play, it's completely dry, right? But if I come over here and I turn this little controller up, now let's listen. All right, completely dry. Hear the delay? And watch if I spin the record back. Alright, interesting, huh? Now listen to that. Alright, so as I move the vinyl, it's actually adjusted the delay. Pretty crazy, huh? I've also done a little just drum sequencer here, and that just is something just really basic. It's actually inside another patch, so I can't. Oh, actually, I can. If I go this object, new view of drum machine. Take this out of presentation mode. So this is just I've got a little bit of randomness going on here, but it's really not that interesting. So just every now and then it just switches the drum beat. I got sequencer control, so that's just my tempo, which is 186, which it's actually 93, but I multiplied it by 2 to get some double time effects. So if I just hit this here, I've mapped that to this here. Then you'll hear it, every now and then you'll hear it switch. Hopefully. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, just turn it off like that. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a really basic model at the moment. There's not really a whole lot going on, but just getting those parameters working was just a job enough for me, and I just thought, it'd be interesting to make some different options that you maybe wouldn't see in like Serato or Tractor. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.